Hey, what's going on, people? I hope y'all are doing good. Today, we're talking pools. There's nothing better than beating the summer heat with a nice, fun time in the pool, especially if you have kids. It's an easy way for the entire fam to cool off and burn some energy. I live in Florida where fun in the sun can go from something like this to turning a nice, sparkling pool into a swamp, even if you have a screened-in porch. In this video, we're taking a look at the Beatbot iSkim Ultra, the world's first AI-powered pool skimmer with ultra cleaning and control performance. I'll be putting the iSkim Ultra to work not only after a storm, but during to show its cleaning power and resilience. And you'll get to see it in action the entire time through split screen while I go over its other features. If at any time you're interested in learning more about the iSkim Ultra, or you decide that you want to pick one up for yourself, you can find links in the description and on the pinned comment. Before we get into the video, let me preface this by saying I've partnered with Beatbot on this video. Not only did they send me the iSkim Ultra for me to test out, but they were kind enough to sponsor this video. That said, I'm confident you'll find the information in this video more than sufficient for you to make a purchase decision regardless of this partnership. So let's not waste any more time. The iSkim Ultra is packed with features to keep your pool clean. It uses an onboard AI in conjunction with 20 sensors for precise cleaning, a natural clarification system called Clearwater, app support with remote control, and it runs on solar power all day long. Let's dive into what really sets this pool skimmer apart. Its smart cleaning capabilities. At the heart is an AI-powered cleaning system working in tandem with 20 high-precision sensors. This combination allows the iSkim Ultra to clean your pool with incredible efficiency and accuracy. The iSkim Ultra uses a unique tri-ultrasonic technology alongside a 6-axis IMU inertial measurement unit. These systems work together to give the skimmer a comprehensive understanding of its environment. The ultrasonic sensors map out the pool's surface and edges, while the IMU tracks the device's movements and orientation, and plan the most efficient cleaning path.
Now, infinity pools don't allow for pool scanning and edge cleaning due to their design and high water level, which prevents the robot from detecting the edges. Instead, the robot will adopt deep sense mode for cleaning instead of performing the S-shaped pattern that I was just talking about.
What's impressive is just how the iSkim Ultra adapts to different pool shapes and materials. Whether you have a traditional rectangular pool or a more unique freeform design, it can even handle different surface materials like tile, concrete, or fiberglass, meaning that it's not going to damage the sides of your pool. The iSkim Ultra's cleaning power comes from its advanced 7-motor system. This includes ceramic bearing propulsion motors that drive the skimmer forward and backward with precision. But what really caught my attention are the low-speed, high-torque side brush motors. These motors power the dual side brushes, allowing the iSkim Ultra to thoroughly clean along pool edges and in corners where debris often accumulates. One of the standout features of the iSkim Ultra is its S-shaped cleaning path. This smart pattern ensures that the skimmer covers the entire pool surface efficiently, leaving no area untouched. It's very similar to robotic vacuums, which some of you may know that I'm all too familiar with on this channel. Nonetheless, it's fascinating to watch how the device systematically works its way across the pool, making sure every inch is cleaned. Now that we've seen how the iSkim Ultra navigates and plans its cleaning path, let's focus on its debris removal capabilities. The iSkim Ultra comes equipped with the industry-first dual side brushes, each with a 93mm diameter and 16 individual bristles. There's also a 265mm front roller brush, which is significantly longer than those found on other pool skimmers. These aren't just for show. They're the workhorses of the cleaning process. The side brushes extend outward, reaching into the corners and along edges where debris often collects. They're particularly effective at sweeping leaves, twigs, and other floating debris towards the center of the skimmer. Meanwhile, the front roller brush is designed to agitate and lift debris from the pool surface. It's especially useful for those stubborn bits that need to be broken up before fitting into the debris basket, such as clumps of grass or smaller twigs. As the iSkim Ultra moves, all of these brushes rotate working together, creating a mini current that helps direct debris into the filter basket. Speaking of the filter basket, this is where the iSkim Ultra really shines. First, it's super easy to pop out due to the one-touch release mechanism. It has a massive 9-liter capacity, which is one of the largest, if not the largest on the market for pool skimmers. To put this into perspective, this basket can hold between 400 to 800 medium-sized leaves. This video just doesn't do it justice, but the weight of the debris in this basket right now is crazy. The iSkim Ultra doesn't just collect debris, it also helps keep your pool water crystal clear. This is thanks to the Clearwater clarification system. Now you might be thinking, another cleaning system? What makes this one so special? Well, it's not just the performance that sets it apart, but also the fact that it's an eco-friendly approach. The clear water system uses a clarifier made from recycled crab shells. Yes, you heard that right, crab shells. This innovative approach not only effectively removes dirt, oils, and metal residues from your pool water, but it does so in an environmentally conscious way. A single 300 milliliter kit can clean up to 99,000 gallons of water, lasting about a month with weekly use. Beatbot includes a kit in the box which will last you about a month, but additional kits can be picked up separately. The clear water system isn't just about being green, it's also about efficiency. By continuously dispensing small amounts of this eco-friendly clarifier, the iSkim Ultra maintains water clarity over time. This means less shock treatments, less chemical use, and potentially significant savings on pool maintenance cost in the long run. One more thing worth mentioning is the anti-spill feature of the filter basket. We've all been there. You're removing debris from the skimmer basket and half of it falls right back into the pool. The iSkim Ultra's design prevents this, ensuring that once debris is captured, it stays captured until you're ready to dispose of it. The iSkim Ultra's power system is a combination of solar energy and battery storage, designed to keep it running all day long. At the heart of this system is a 24-watt solar panel. It uses something called solar track technology. This smart tech allows the panel to optimize its performance by tracking light sources, ensuring efficient charging even when sunlight isn't optimal. Paired with this solar panel is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. Together, these components provide the iSkim Ultra with the energy it needs to keep your pool cleaning all around the clock. But what happens when the sun isn't shining? Beatbot has included a magnetic wireless charger. This charging method is not only more convenient, but also safer than traditional pool skimmer chargers. There's no exposed pins, which eliminates the risk of overheating or electrical hazards. It's a small detail, but one that shows Beatbot's commitment to both performance and safety. Now, let's talk about control. The iSkim Ultra comes with a dedicated app that puts the power of pool cleaning right at your fingertips. Through this app, you can remotely control the skimmer, the schedule, and you can monitor its progress in real time. The scheduling feature is particularly useful. You can set up regular cleaning times that fit into your routine, ensuring your pool is always ready for a swim. Beatbot has plans to expand this feature in the future, adding the ability to schedule the water clarification treatments as well. One of my favorite features is the voice broadcast updates. As the iSkim Ultra goes about its cleaning, it provides real-time updates on its status through the bot itself. You'll get alerts for things like low battery, cleaning progress, and when it's completed a cleaning cycle. It's like having a pool cleaning assistant that keeps you in the loop. Now, let's get to the exciting part. How does the iSkim Ultra handle a storm? We put it to the test during a typical Florida thunderstorm, and I have to say I was really impressed. As the wind picked up, the iSkim Ultra cranked itself into high gear. Its advanced obstacle handling capabilities really shone through here. Even as leaves and twigs were being blown around in the pool, the iSkim Ultra collected debris without getting stuck or bogged down. Thanks to its powerful motors and precise sensors, it maintained its cleaning path, even as the water's surface became choppy. The large 9-liter basket we talked about earlier, it really proved its worth during the storm, collecting a significant amount of debris without needing to be emptied mid-clean. What really stood out to me was just how the iSkim Ultra adapted its cleaning strategy during the thunderstorm. It seemed to focus more on the areas where debris was accumulating, making multiple passes to ensure thorough cleaning. This adaptive behavior is a testament to the AI system at work. Okay, the final verdict. Is the iSkim Ultra worth it? After putting it through its paces, especially during that storm, I'd say it's a solid investment for many pool owners. The AI-powered cleaning, huge debris capacity, and solar charging are standout features, plus the 2-year warranty and 14 industry certifications offer peace of mind. For those with large pools or in areas with lots of debris, it could save time and effort. However, smaller pool owners that are screened in might find this to be a bit overkill. Ultimately, the iSkim Ultra impressed me with its cleaning power and smart features. It's a high-tech solution that could make pool maintenance much easier. So what do you think? Drop a comment about your pool cleaning experiences or questions that you might have about the iSkim Ultra. Links to everything talked about in this video can be found in the description and pinned comment. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.